Learn and grow with ashdesign.com. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the color of this template in the background to match our subject. You can see that he's got a red outfit on, and we've decided that maybe that would look better if the background's color were changed to red. So first we're going to select our foreground color, double-clicking there on that tool, selecting red. Now we could sample off of his uniform, but instead we're just going to pick red. And now that we have the color, we're going to go down to the background layer because that's what we're going to change in terms of color. Now we've selected it. We're going to go up to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation. We're using the hue and saturation method. So now that that's open, we're going to click Colorize, and you'll see it's already changing it some, but we need to make the color a little bit richer or deeper, and that's technically called saturation. So we're going to turn up the saturation just a little bit, make it a little deeper. Maybe you can lighten it or darken it to your taste, and that's it. And that is how you use the hue and saturation method to change the color.